What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to 3BR Off-Road. I'm back at the shop working on my Ranger once again. It's Monday now. I just posted the video from Sunday. So I'm doing multiple videos this week just to show you guys kind of what I and AJ go through usually before an event. More so me because my bike's usually apart. Don't know why I do this to myself every time before an event. I push my bike off and push customer stuff in front of this. And we get to to 2 weeks before an event, and I'm like, oh, I need to get this and this and this, and we need to do this, and this isn't done, and it just becomes a nightmare. Learn from my example, and don't do what I do, or don't break your bike and decide you're gonna upgrade 15 things at once. Cause yourself a gigantic headache. Once again, bad at YouTube. Already started working on things. New bushings are in on the front A-arms, and I've already started putting the front A-arms in. So I'm a little bit ahead of myself. I should have started recording sooner. Those are going to stay red for the time being. I forgot about them. They're just going to stay red. We're going to ignore that part. It's fine. Everything will be fine. It'll be fine. It'll be covered in mud. No one's going to notice. So I had to call Turner Cycle today to get some boots for those axles overnighted. They were super great. Great people. My God, the price of shipping. I didn't realize that overnighting 2 boots was going to cost me $150. Need them, so I'm going to do it. $150, definitely cheaper than the $660 something for brand new axles. We're just going to ignore the fact that I had to spend $150 on shipping. It's fine. We'll be okay. But I'm just going to jump right into it and stop wasting time. Let's just jump to a time lapse and get this front end together. That bottom A-arm on the passenger side kicked my ass. It was not wanting to line up. Fitment just wasn't the greatest. Yeah, it fought me getting in there. Had to do the back bolt first and then the front one. And even still, like, the fitment's not the best. It could be the A-arms, honestly. I don't know. The driver's side fell right into place. Like, no problems, no nothing. It literally just fell right in. Tops were fine on both sides. It is what it is, I guess, at this point. They're just gonna send it and see what happens. I can't believe I forgot to take these brackets off. Makes me a little mad. Never truly done with this bike anyways. There'll always be something going on with it. A little persuasion never hurt. Time for ball joints? So I went ahead and got Dirt Mafia ball joints. I know I said we're going to be doing a ball joint delete on this eventually, but the few rides we're going to have on this bike, the way it is, I didn't want to risk putting stock ball joints back in this thing. So we went with a little bit of an upgrade. Dirt Mafia compared to Keller, I don't know really the difference. They seem really, very, very similar, if not identical. High Lifter makes a set now as well. But we've had good luck with these in the past. They go in really easy. They're maintenance friendly. We love them. So we're going to keep running those for now. Probably the way I install them is probably not the proper way. The cup's supposed to be pressed in. We typically tap them in just because we do them on the bikes a lot. Not a big deal. Get them in there. Once you tighten down the threads, it pulls it up. So they're fully adjustable. You just push down on this and tightens up the ball joint. No problems. No crappy Super ATV ones. No crappy stock ones. In a few months, I will have a slightly used set of Dirt Mafia ball joints for a Polaris Ranger for sale. So hit me up. Whatever you do, I beg of you, do not follow this. Okay, I'm gonna look into the camera for this. This is not an installation guide. I am doing it wrong. It works for us, but I'm doing it not the right way. People will kill me if they see me doing that. And there are torque specs for them, but we're gonna give it the good old Ugga Dugga. We're gonna be done. Just enough not to rip the bike off the lift. We'll snug them back up once all the portals and everything are on. Sadly, we're only going to be able to do one side of the portals because we're going to be waiting on boots for the axle shaft. Not a big deal. They ordered today. Hopefully they're here tomorrow. If not, Wednesday at the latest. God, I hope Wednesday at the latest. we leave Thursday, so let's cross my fingers. And the cool thing about flares, the ball joints are same top and bottom. So no need to fuss about which one goes where. I should preface that by saying at least the older style Rangers. I know the newer ones, they changed the ball joints, and now the bottom one actually goes in from the top. Once again, not proper technique for this, but I've never had a problem. So we keep doing it that way. I don't even know which way I'm going with that. So I'm trying to go the wrong way once again. Just talked about always putting grease in them, and then I forgot. I'm a professional. I know what I'm doing. That's called dry sarcasm, folks. I think that's the one thing I noticed different. I've installed some colors. They actually come with the zip ties for the boots, unlike these, which is nice. So yeah, you've seen one side done now, so let's just snap the other side in place. Ball joints. I am realizing after the fact that I probably shouldn't have said ball joints in the first snap, because there's no way in hell I'm getting ball joints to line up, sound the same, anything along with the snap. It's just, there's gonna be a mess. So that transition is gonna look real shitty. Who cares though? Passenger side or driver's side? I don't know. I don't know what side I'm gonna do. Well, one side can be done. Let's just jump to the time lapse and you'll find out. Another thing waiting on are the shock relocation brackets for the rear shock. I called Cat Voss, talked to them a little bit, and they're like, yeah, you should have the lift brackets in the back. So went ahead and ordered those from those guys. We could have made them, but save time. Hopefully they show up. I'm sure they will. Ordered them early last week, actually, like Monday. So they should be here. Hey guys, I want to take a quick second to plug a few things. If you haven't done so already, check out our new Facebook page. 3BR Off-Road on Facebook. Super easy to find. Throw us a like on there. Follow us. Also, if you haven't done so, check out our TikTok page. I don't know if a lot of people know about that. We had some videos blow up on TikTok and have over 14,000 followers on there for some reason. I don't know why that many people would want to watch some two grown-ass men dick around in the shop or off-road on TikTok. It seems like a young person app, but we do pretty well over there. Also, don't forget to check out our merch page. Go over there, grab yourself a hat, t-shirt, koozie, sticker. Everything bought off there goes right back into the shop, right back into the project. Everything you buy from there directly supports us, and we appreciate that a lot. So that's going to do it for this video. Till next time, peace!